All right. We are still messing with our uh, keys here. So let's find out, where did that go? So we would like to get back to our tab. It's time to close a few tabs. Once we get stuff on chain, we can close tabs. All right. Okay, here. So looks like, we've got step. Looks like it's there. Looks like that's the right path. Let's try let's try to run it just to confirm. StepCA. Okay. Open ca.json. Okay, so it looks like it works. Um, what's the license on this thing? Apache 2. Great. Okay, so what's it mad about then? Too many positional arguments were provided in step config. Okay, so maybe we need to go look at the docs because it's probably changed since this issue happened. So, what do we have? This is a command that says crypto. Too many positional arguments. All right, the step command. Okay. Flags via environment variables. Step path. All right. Right now, if you use. All right, so let's go look at their SSH stuff. SSH. StepCA. Step certificate. Step crypto JWT inspect. Okay, so step crypto. All right, so config. So StepCA and config SSH. Okay, so I think we're looking at the wrong thing. So step CLI. Okay. Yeah, we were looking at the wrong thing here. Linux binaries. How did we end up with the wrong thing? How do we install the certificates? Now I'm concerned this is going to install somewhere weird. Maybe it just got moved over. Installation. Install both. Well, step is not technically required. It is recommended. Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna find our place, StepCA, step. Where were those curl commands? A. All right, here they are. Okay, install, latest release, StepCLI, grab that. All right. What did we have here? All right, let's write this down. So, and then select and highlight, and then you can do this. And that'll run the line and put the output right back in your shell. I think I think step download. Yeah, so then this one, StepCA. Okay, yeah. So we're just going to add both these to path. All right, so we're gonna go, here's a list of the binaries. Here's within StepCA, here's the binary name step. Within step, here's here's binary name step. With dfml.prepend to path. We're gonna do an expansion. All right, so we're gonna prepend all these binaries. Path that name. All right, there we go. Binaries. Oh, shows me. All right, so basically go through and prepend all those to a path, uh, not list. Where's this? So run command, expected search types path like not list. Okay, so we accidentally added prepend to path, and then expansion. All right, so we'll step into this. All right, we need to step in binary parent until it gets you to the return, I think. Okay, what's that? List comp. Okay, so those are some bin directories there. Prepend to path. Prepend to path. Args. Okay. Args. That looks very reasonable to me. So what else? Usually it's because I'm passing the wrong thing there. Okay. So where's it choking? So process P open. On 533. Okay. Gen key dot split. Format key dot split. StepCAing. Oh, because this is step. Okay, and we don't need that because we prepended to path. So we can just say gen key split and format key split just for speed. Okay. Okay, 532. All right, please enter the password. Okay, what did we get? Subprocess readline, standard out readline. Okay, so crypto key. Okay, it looks like it might have actually given us a output key here in ED25519 format. Um, okay, so let's see about the host key then. Can we get that into our friendly format? .pub. So we don't need that. So we'll just say identity root key contents, which is identity root key pem path, which is now SSH host key dot pem. Object of type bytes is not JSON serializable. Step. Let's see. No password. Or what can we do? From JSON web token. Key encoded in an existing JSON web token. Create a PEM representing the key coded in an existing JSON web token. Okay, so what about our JSON web token library? So I think we can say, so maybe we can just use step to convert. So export. So how do we create a key? So let's do generate KTYEC curve OTP electrical curve. Create the octet pair for the ED KTY. Okay, so maybe it's OKP for KTY and curve is okay, also that. So let's try then. So what is this? 789 dumps data flow. Object of type bytes is not JSON serializable. Okay, so that's because we have these byte values in our config. Okay, and those byte values are that. What are the byte values? Oh, the passphrase, because we set the config. Okay. Okay, so we don't need we were not protecting it in this case. We're not protecting it in this case. Okay, but we need the private key. We want the private key. Yeah, let's do it this way. Let's use step. We're going to use step anyways. We're going to use step to generate the key. We'll just pull it in. We're almost there. Okay, so, okay, yeah, so it did take. It must have taken because we must have the key. Do we not even notice? Oh my God. Did it work? Did it not work? Print JWT. None. Import from PEM. Okay. Okay, let's try. What about this step? No password. Good on you requiring the insecure flag there. Okay, KID, thumbprint. So it looks like we've got a key ID. So let's JWK, let's set the JWK there. Set the JWK there. Say that we're going to use this JWK, JWK. Let's see what happens. Ew. Will that work? Ooh, it might have worked. No? Encoded manifest. Okay, don't worry about that right now. Just do dumps on this. Did that work? Okay. Can only concatenate stir, not JWK. Okay. So it didn't work. JWK for peer DID 0 working. I'll go 2 not working.